Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate your Instagram account without waiting a week. For example, if you have already deactivated your account within that week and you want to deactivate your account again on Instagram, so how you can do that? Because Instagram allows you to deactivate your account once in a week and you have already tried that. Now if you want to deactivate again, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram here, and after that what you have to do, you have simply click on profile, and here you have simply click on three lines here, and after that you have simply click on account center, and after that you have to click on personal details, and here you have simply click on account ownership and control, and after that you have simply click on deactivation or deletion. So if you select the account and after that you want to deactivate the account, there is written if you want to take a break from your Instagram, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you want to permanently delete your account, let us know. You can only deactivate your account once in a week. So if you have already tried that, you cannot deactivate your account without waiting a week. So but there is a trick that you can simply use. So you want to deactivate your account within a week. As you know, if you delete your account permanently, there is a time of 30 days that you can simply reactivate your account within 30 days if you have delete your account. So if you have already tried the deactivating your account, you can simply go for deleting your account. So after that, what you have to do after a break which you have already done a few days, you can simply log in your account back and you will be able to reactivate your account again. So in this way you can simply use delete account option instead of deactivating your account, so that you can simply deactivate your account without waiting a week. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.